Hashgraph holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another update video about Hedera, guys. So again, I'm present with another update video about Hedera, and absolutely, guys, this is the good news video for all Hedera Hashgraph holders, guys. Very congratulations, because in this video I predicated Hedera Hashgraph. Anyways, first of all, let's see the latest update. And guys, I request all of you this time, those people who's listen this video, who's watching this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the current price of Hedera, so the price is about 0.3668848 USD dollar, guys. That is the currently price of Hedera. Price is not good, sorry, not bad. Absolutely, it's a low price, so that's why I'm telling you that it's not good, because I love only high price. Very soon Hedera price will also become 5 to 10 USD dollar high price. Anyways, unfortunately, guys, as you know about Hedera, that from a long time you found Hedera changes going negative. Price is completely going negative, but don't worry, guys, very soon these changes, these update will become positive and that will give you profit. So just hold, guys, never decide to sell. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? And now my technical analysis, my prediction is about Hedera Hashgraph is that, guys, that I believe, guys, you know what, that's my personal experience. I found a lot of coin positive in the last half month, and in the beginning of month I found a lot of coin positive. So I also believe about Hedera that in the last half month possibilities that the price of Hedera will pump and they will give you profit. So just hold, guys, never decide to sell. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Hedera? Also share in the comment box. And guys, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe, ABS Tech channel, so subscribe now. Thanks for watching.